Today we're here on a very important agenda, as Mugore has said, access to information. So we hope that in the process of collecting this data, we also help counties to streamline. Government in its Big Four agenda has identified the one-stop shop as something that they're pursuing to ensure that it's just that much easier when you're trying to construct in this country to get their data, to get their approvals under one roof. And we see this as a stepping stone towards that. Thank you all for being here. I'd like to invite Q.S. Nyakangora. I know I'm ambushing him, but he's in charge of the National Building Inspectorate.
I'm indeed happy to be here and to have this kind of research to assist us to see what to do and how things are being done in the counties everywhere. We are working on the Build Environment Bill, which will institutionalize our systems and mandate, so that we have a system of checking existing buildings, so that every 5 years you have a certificate confirming that your building is safe.
Our study area were 10 counties: Nairobi, Nakuru, Uasin Gishu, Kakamega, Kisumu, Mombasa, Nyeri, Kiambu, Machakos, and Kajiado. We were also asked to conduct a comparative study of best development control system in four countries. We chose South Africa, UK, Rwanda, and China.
We found that for the main cities, that is Mombasa, Kisumu, and Nairobi, we find that charges for planning approvals, they seem to be higher in these counties than compared to the other counties, and of course with good reason, because there's the issues of the value of land and the level of infrastructure development. We can conclude that many of the counties, probably 70%, still are yet to join to automate their processes.
My plea is for the AAK, take the lead, the opportunities are there, and I think we can make it happen. All what we need is to make it fast. I think the process has been painfully slow. Start with the counties that are having the capacity. Irene has pointed out some counties that are having the right manpower. Maybe those are the ones which need to be empowered, and develop a model that can be rolled to form a system that is going to be accepted and to work in all the counties. Thank you very much.